going to show you how to make honey glazed salmon. It's a really quick dish to make, really easy, and it's perfect for lunch or in fact dinner. This amount of salmon here, I've got 300 to 400 grams. That'll serve 2 people, and this is how we do it. Right, first of all, into the mixing bowl goes about 8 tablespoons of Boyne Valley squeezy honey. That's about 2, 4, 6, 8. Just doing this by eye, you might prefer to use a spoon. And then the same amount of olive oil. Again, 8 tablespoonfuls. I'm just going to give that a little bit of a whisk to get the mixtures combined. And then I have 4 cloves of garlic finely chopped here, which goes into the mixture again. Finally, a bit of salt and pepper. I'd say about half a teaspoon of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Another quick whisk, and then you simply add that to the salmon. I'm just giving it a quick stir to make sure that all the salmon is coated with it, and then that gets transferred to the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours, just to allow the flavours to soak in. So the salmon's had about 2 hours in the fridge and all the lovely flavours have soaked in, the garlic, the honey and the olive oil. I'm just going to transfer it to an oven-proof dish, skin side down. And I'm going to pour some of the marinade over. All the lovely honey out the bottom. And then this goes into the oven at about 200 degrees for 8 minutes. Then I'm going to take it out, just brush the glaze over and pop it in just to finish off. Right, the salmon has had about 12 minutes in total in the oven. I gave it first of all 8 minutes, then I just brushed the glaze over it again, returned it to the oven for about another 4 minutes. Now just to test if it's done, pop a fork into the thickest part of the fish and just give it a slight wiggle. What you want to see is that the fish is completely opaque, that there's no translucency left, and that's perfect. That's another simple, delicious recipe, perfect for lunch or dinner.